The Battle of Megiddo, fought in 1469 BCE, was a major military engagement between the Egyptian army of Pharaoh Thutmose III and a Canaanite coalition led by the King of Kadesh. The battle took place in the vicinity of the city of Megiddo, located in present-day northern Israel. Thutmose III led his army across the Sinai Peninsula and entered Canaan, intent on expanding his empire. The Canaanite coalition, made up of various city-states and tribes, opposed his advance and assembled a large army near Megiddo to block his way. The exact size of the armies is unknown, but some estimates suggest that the Egyptian force numbered around 10,000 men, while the Canaanites had up to 15,000. The battle was fought on a narrow strip of land between the mountains and the sea. The Canaanites occupied a strong defensive position on the hills overlooking the plain, while the Egyptians advanced along a narrow path. Thutmose III employed a flanking maneuver, sending a detachment of troops to attack the Canaanites from the rear, while the main body of his army engaged them from the front. This caught the Canaanites off guard and caused their army to collapse. The battle was a decisive victory for the Egyptians, and it marked the beginning of their long domination of the region. The battle is significant not only for its military importance, but also for its depiction in contemporary inscriptions and artwork. Thutmose III left a detailed account of the battle on the walls of the Temple of Karnak, which provides valuable insights into the tactics and equipment used by both sides. The Battle of Megiddo is also significant for its influence on later military history. The site of Megiddo has been the location of many battles throughout history, and the name Armageddon, a Greek version of the Hebrew Har-Megiddo, meaning Mount Megiddo, has come to symbolize the final battle between good and evil in Christian eschatology.